Welcome back friends. Today's topic is regarding one very useful DAX function in Power BI, that is the DATEDIFF function. DATEDIFF is the short form of date difference. The DATEDIFF function in Power BI is used for calculating the difference between date or time. To show you the use of DATEDIFF function, here I have connected three data tables. These are employee data, order data and working time. Here in this employee data table, I have employee ID, employee name and join date. Suppose that if I need to calculate how many months these employees worked in the organization, then I can use here the DATEDIFF function to calculate the time worked in month. For that, click on new column. In the column equal to, put here time worked in months equal to, then use the DATEDIFF function, open bracket. In the date 1 parameter, select this joining date column of this employee data table. So put here employee data, then select this join date column, then put a comma. In the date 2, take here the current date or today's date by using the today function. So put here today, open and close bracket. Then give a comma. In this interval parameter, you can select from these different options like day, hour, minute, month, quarter, etc. In this case, we need the time worked in months. So select the month option. Then close bracket and press enter. Here you see a new column is created which displays the time worked by these employees in months. Let's go to the second table, which is the order data table. In this order data, I have order ID, customer name, order date and delivery date. My requirement here is to calculate the days taken for delivery. For that, click on the new column. Put here days taken for delivery equal to, then use the DATEDIFF function, open bracket. In the date 1, select this order date column of the order data table, put a comma. In the date 2, select the delivery date column, put a comma. In the interval parameter, select this day option because we need the days taken for delivery, close bracket and press enter. Here you see the days taken for delivery is calculated. Let's go to this third table. Here I have the employee name, in time and out time. Based on this information, I need to calculate the time worked. In that case, I can use DATEDIFF. Click on the new column. In the column equal to, let me put here time worked equal to. Use the DATEDIFF function, open bracket. In the date 1, select the in time column, put a comma. In the date 2 parameter, select the out time column, put a comma. And in the interval, select this hour option because we need time worked in hour. Close bracket and press enter. And here you see, this is the time worked in hours. So this is how you can use the DATEDIFF function in Power BI to calculate the difference between dates and time. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next tutorial.